Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. If you're here, you're probably looking to sharpen up a video you already recorded on your iPhone. Now ideally, we'd aim for the best quality from the get-go. Good lighting, right settings, but sometimes we can't plan it all perfectly. So what can you do with a video you already have? Let's go through a few quick steps to enhance the sharpness and make your video look its best. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and locate the video you want to edit. Once you've got it open, tap Edit in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring you into editing mode, where you have access to various tools that can really refine your video. Now, look at the bottom of the screen, and you'll see the Adjust tools, represented by a dial icon. Tap on that, and you'll find options like Brilliance, Contrast, and Sharpness. Start by increasing the brilliance slightly. This tool helps bring out subtle details in your video without causing it to look overly bright or washed out. Just a little bump here can make a noticeable difference. Next, adjust the contrast. Adding contrast makes the edges and details in your video more defined. Be cautious, though. You don't want to add too much because that can make the video look harsh or unnatural. A slight adjustment here will help improve clarity. Finally, head over to the Sharpness tool. This is where you can bring out finer details, but take it slow. Small adjustments here go a long way. Too much sharpness can create noise and distortions, so keep it balanced to maintain the video's natural look. Once you're happy with the adjustments, take a moment to preview the changes by toggling the edits on and off. You can do this by using the Revert button to check your progress without losing any work. When you're satisfied, tap Done to save your edits. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you later.